In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between list and grid view in the media library in WordPress. Whether you're managing a website, a blog, or an online store, organizing and reviewing your media files effectively is essential for smooth content management. WordPress, one of the most popular content management platforms, provides flexible options for viewing your media library, allowing you to choose the layout that works best for your needs. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure you can easily switch between these views. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress login page. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see several options for logging in. For this tutorial, select the Continue with Google option to sign in using your Google account. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also ensures secure authentication. However, if you'd rather not use Google, that's perfectly fine. You can always log in using your WordPress username and password instead. Next, from the list of Google accounts that appears, choose the one linked to your WordPress account. This will complete the login process and grant you access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Media Library, which is located within the Site Administration area. The Media Library is essentially a central hub where all your uploaded images, videos, and other files are stored. It's a convenient way to manage and organize your media. Now that you're in the Media Library, let's locate the View Control options. These options allow you to toggle between different layouts for displaying your media files. First, click on the List View icon. This will switch the layout to a more streamlined view where you can see file details like the name, date uploaded, and file size. This layout is particularly helpful if you're looking for specific information about your files or need to manage them in a more detailed way. After you've explored the list view, you can switch back to the grid view by clicking on the corresponding icon. The grid view provides a thumbnail-based layout that highlights visual previews of your media files. This view is perfect when you need to quickly browse through images or videos based on how they look, rather than their names or metadata. By switching between these two views, you can tailor the media library to fit your specific workflow and make managing your files much more efficient. And there you have it. You've just learned how to switch between list and grid view in the media library in WordPress. This small but useful feature helps you stay organized and work more effectively with your media files. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.